Hello. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most powerful tools in Linux, the terminal. Unlike graphical user interfaces, the terminal allows us to interact directly with the operating system through text commands. This gives us a lot more control and flexibility. Let's start by opening the terminal. Depending on your Linux distribution, you might find it in different places. On Ubuntu, you can press Ctrl+Alt+T to open it. Or, you can simply click the Start button to open the Applications page, access the terminal, and click to open it. Once it's open, you'll see a prompt that looks something like this. This is where you'll type your commands. Now, let's learn some basic commands. First up, the pwd command. This stands for Print Working Directory, and it tells you where you are in the file system. Just type pwd and press enter. As you can see, the pwd command displays the absolute path to my current working directory, which is /home/Ubuntu. My current working directory is the home directory. Next, we have the ls command, which lists the contents of the directory you're in. Try typing ls and see what happens. You should see a list of files and folders. In my case, I have folders such as desktop, documents, downloads, and the rest within my current working directory, which is the home directory. Finally, let's talk about the cd command, which stands for Change Directory. This command lets you navigate through different directories. For example, if you want to move to the Documents directory, you would type cd Documents and press enter. This moves you to the Documents directory as you can see here. And that's all concerning the 3 basic commands. Thank you.